Do you trust your dad?
No. He dropped my pacifier and just blew on it.
So how's your experience been as a baby so far in these first few hours?
Not a big fan.
How was the hospital experience?
Too bright, too cold, too loud.
What do you think of the people so far?
Everyone keeps poking me and saying I'm cute. It's exhausting.
How do you feel about your parents?
They seem nice, a little obsessed though.
Any final thoughts about life on Earth so far?
Needs work. 6 out of 10.
Would you change anything about this experience?
Can you let me sleep now?
Did you like anything at all?
No.
No comment.
Any regrets so far?
Yeah, I should have stayed in there a bit longer. Where's the doctor? I need to go back in. My parents are broke as shit.
How did it feel being in your mom's stomach?
She kept eating hot Cheetos. I thought I was in hell. It's y'all house. The couch lumpy, the TV crooked, and I don't see no bottle warmer. Who picked them ugly curtains?
Welcome to the world. What would you like to say?
Yeah, put me back until Donald's not in office anymore.
Where are you going?
To find the doctor and make him put me back in. Why my name on a light bill and a phone line? I don't even got teeth to argue with nobody. If I get one more collection call, I'm calling CPS myself.
So how did it feel when your mom was giving birth to you?
That dang doctor was pulling on my head like he was trying to take my thoughts out of me. My parents to take the bills out of my name. I'm not co-signing. Shh. My daddy is old. I look just like Willie Earl, don't I? My mama was tripping. My daddy doesn't know what he's doing. If he doesn't support my damn neck, I'ma go off.